Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get UTC hours. So what it does, it is part of the date object, and this method returns the hour in specified date. That local time according to UTC. So first, what we're gonna do is create a date like that. That would be good. And after that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console date one dot and hours. How to do that? We're gonna say 12, and if we do 2, we're gonna say 10. So this is what it does. It's gonna show the hour of that place, so it's 10 a.m. or maybe p.m. on there, and the other will be so the a.m. maybe, like that. You're gonna say the local time of that place, so don't you worry. I have it is on p.m. on a.m. It's gonna say that in the another video. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.